Hi there, students. Welfare. Okay, welfare is the physical and mental health and happiness, very often, of a person. So the parents are very concerned for the welfare of their missing child. Organisations like the Red Cross try to look after the welfare of immigrants. Animal rights organisations are concerned about the welfare of animals, animal welfare, their health and happiness. Okay, now we also use welfare to talk about help given by the state or by an organisation to people who need it, particularly because they don't have any money. So in the UK we have what is called the welfare state, where there are benefits there's money to be paid if you're unemployed, if you don't have enough money, okay, and that's welfare. In the US, they use this word welfare to talk about money given out by the state. So the welfare system is under-resourced. And this scheme is designed to lessen people's dependency on welfare. The government are going to reform the welfare system. Okay, so welfare. The state the state looking after people by giving them money, thinking about the welfare of socially disadvantaged groups. Yeah. In the US, you're receiving welfare. In English, I would say it's state benefits or unemployment. So, welfare, the well-being of somebody. Notice to fare, welfare. How are you faring? How are you doing? So, welfare, to be doing well. That's the idea of it. Okay, so welfare, health, happiness, good fortune, well-being. Yeah, workers are concerned about the welfare of their families. And then welfare, financial or other aid provided by the government or people in need. Welfare services. The social worker is concerned about the welfare of their clients. Yes, you've got to think about the spiritual welfare of these people. Yeah, it's very good to know that you can live on welfare if something bad happens to you, but I think it's very bad to become dependent on welfare. Yeah, you can have a welfare worker as well, somebody who is working for the welfare of people. Okay, so let's see, it's normally an uncountable noun. We have an old English phrase, well faran, to fare well, to get along, to prosper. And it's probably a cognate with an old Norse word, velfred, or in Swedish we have velfard, or in Dutch, welvaart. So, yeah, to fare well, yeah? So to fare, to be doing, to progress, to get along, to succeed, to be in a state. So yeah, welfare, to be in a good state. Next question, how formal is this? I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. Okay, so the welfare of somebody, if they're okay or not. Welfare, their well-being, or money paid to people or help given to people when they're in a desperate situation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Welfare.